in case you came across this kind of a question, what volume of water will be added to 10 dm cube of 2 mole per dm cube to obtain a 0.5 mole per dm cube solution? So if you are to come across this kind of equation, don't forget the formula we are going to introduce, and don't make the mistake of introducing this formula CA VA over CB VB. This is wrong formula to use. So the formula to introduce or to employ here is called dilution law formula, which is C1 V1 equal C2 V2. Because according to the question, what volume of water will be added to 10 dm cube of 2 mole? This type of equation, before you can jump into it, you need to understand the kind of formula you are going to employ before you can solve further. So guys, with this dilution law formula, let's itemize the parameters with respect to the formula. So guys, we said our C1 will build the concentration, which is 2 mole per dm cube, and our volume is what? 10 dm cube. So we have 10 dm cube. Our C2 is equal to the second concentration, which is 0.5 mole per dm cube, and our V2, we don't know it. Now, we need to make the V2 the subject of formula. So we said divide both sides by the coefficient of V2, which is C2 over C2. This, we cancel this. So in that case, we have V2 equal to C1 over V1 equal divided by C2. Now, what is our C1? We have 2 mole per dm cube multiplied by, what is our volume? We have 10 dm cube divided by 0.5 mole per dm cube. This will cancel this. So let's point our calculator. We can say we have 2 multiplied by 10. So we have V2 is equal to 20 dm cube divided by 0.5. That will give us what? 0.5. We have 40 dm cube. If you look at the answer we have there, that answer goes with option B, but that is not what we are asked to solve for. What we are asked to solve for is volume of water added. That is, the volume of water, how much will be added in that particular equation. So guys, for this now, the volume of water to be added will be volume of water to be added according to the question. So that will give us V2 minus V1, and the value of our V2 is 40 minus 10. So in that case, we have 30 dm cube. So guys, let's go back to the question. What volume of water will be added? The volume of water to be added is 30 dm cube. Now, we have two answers on the board, but according to the option, we are only asked to pick one answer. So guys, for the first one we solved here, we said the V2 is 40 dm cube. For the second one, which says volume of water to be added, we have 30 dm cube. So that 30 dm cube, which is the final answer, then we check the four options. Options A, we have 30 dm cube. Option B, we have 40. C, 10. D, we have 20. So according to the question, the final answer is 30 dm cube. So guys, if you come across this type of equation, you don't have to jump into it and pick the wrong answer. Rather, you need to understand the formula which you are going to employ before you can get the final answer. If you are just coming across this video, do well to share, like, and if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment box. Thank you.